A single serve coffee maker that belongs on everyone's desk. Ultra compact. This would be perfect for traveling too. Little basket inside where you put the coffee grounds. I did put a little coffee liner in here too, not to ruin anything. Comes with a scooper. Water goes in the back. The best part has to be that it comes with a travel mug. So you put the mug right underneath here. The coffee goes right inside. So good. It's really hot too. And it even comes with a lid. I usually take a coffee maker every time I go to a hotel because I do not trust the coffee makers at a hotel. This is going to be my next go-to. If you want to check this out, I'm going to have it linked right down here.